Hello guys, how are you? Today I am going to show you how you can download Asphalt 9 on your PC. This is a mobile game, but you can download it on your PC or play it better than an emulator on your PC. So if you want to play this game on your PC without using any kind of emulator, just follow my step to do this. Okay, let's start. First you need to open your Microsoft Store. If you have done the account, just create a account and log in on your Microsoft Store. Just wait a second. Now click on search bar and search here Asphalt 9. Look this. Now click here to install it. You can play this game without using any kind of emulator. Just wait to download it. Okay, now download complete. Just click to play this game. Click here play and wait. Boom, it's starting. Wait for a few seconds. This is the best car game ever I seen for mobile phone. When you are using emulator to play this game, it's lagging, but now there is no lag in this game. Just look. We don't need any kind of emulator. Look, we are playing it on PC. There is no emulator we are using to play this game. Just we are playing on it Windows 10 in PC. No lag. But when you play this game in emulator, it's too much lagging. Please make sure that you okay, retry. I think my network connection problem. Just wait a second. Now click here to accept. First you need to enter here your age. I am entering here 19. Actually my age is not 19, but I am entering there. You can enter any age, no problem. Then click here to accept. Just wait. Click here to play. It's a very cool game. You can play it easily to follow my steps. So if you want to play this game without using any emulator, just follow my step to download this and play it. Thanks for watching guys.
Now